Hello everyone. Today we will take a look at DIY proof of concept project Multiwire Continuity Tester, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. The link to the project is in the description of this video. Let's discuss a useful tool for locating broken wires, the Multiwire Continuity Tester. Have you ever struggled to find where a wire is disconnected? It can be quite frustrating, right? This project is straightforward to use. The multiwire tester connects to wires and sends a small current through them. If the wire is intact, the tester shows a positive result. However, if there's a break, it alerts you. Electricians and technicians commonly use this tool, but it's also great for DIY electronics enthusiasts. You can check wires, circuits, and anything that should remain connected. This project can be developed by electronics hobbyists, technicians, and engineers who work with circuits and troubleshooting. It's also a useful learning tool for students and educators, while product developers and startups can refine it for commercial use. Ready to find out how it works? Here's our setup. We use a few jumper wires for testing. Each wire connects to a test point. If a wire is good, the corresponding LED blinks. If the wire is broken or disconnected, the LED does not blink and a buzzer sounds, indicating a problem. Amazing, right? But how to make this? You can make this tester with just a few components. Let's take a closer look. The CD4047 IC functions as an astable multivibrator, generating a square wave signal to drive the circuit. The 4017 decade counter IC sequentially checks multiple wires by turning on LEDs one by one. The BC548 transistor acts as a switch to control the buzzer when continuity is detected. Piezo buzzer provides an audible signal when continuity is confirmed. LEDs indicate which wires are intact or broken. Resistors set current limits and define circuit operation. The capacitor determines the frequency of the square wave signal. Apart from these, a breadboard and a few jumper wires are used. To assemble the circuit, follow the provided circuit diagram. Arrange all the components, including IC, transistors, LEDs, buzzer, resistors, and capacitors, on the breadboard according to the diagram. Once the circuit is assembled, power it up and connect the test wires to find the fault or broken connections. Voila! It works. So, what did you learn? How to design a simple electronic circuit. How to identify broken or faulty wires. How to connect and label test points. Interested in developing your own multiwire continuity tester? Kindly click on the link provided in the description of this video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.